Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you on how to transfer money from Revolut to Coinbase. So first thing you're going to need to do is open your Revolut account and then just log into your account if needed. Once you're here, just tap on the transfer. Now once you tap on that, you will be redirected to this page. Just tap on new at the top right and then tap on the crypto wallet and then just tap on add crypto wallet. Once you tap on that, you will be redirected to this page where you have to add the address details like the crypto address and the wallet name. So you just have to fill out that and tap on continue once you're done. And then here you have to enter the amount that you wish to transfer or to withdraw to your Coinbase. So just once you're done, just tap on review withdrawal. And in here you'll be able to see or to review all the details before confirming that transaction. So you have to make sure that the wallet address is the one that you're transferring to. And that's basically it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!